What's up guys? So today I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to apply strip lashes, fusion lash cousin for girlies, if you know you know. And we just, we call this air glue and a tweezer. Stay tuned. So these lashes are called Mickey Wee. So I got them off Temu, and I get maybe like 4 packs. Yeah, 4 packs, so like $4. So it really reasonable. And yeah, they've been working for me ever since. Yeah, so this is my go-to for the girlies, and if you know again, this is my go-to, and it's pretty simple. So let me just walk you through it. So firstly, you're gonna need something to put the glue on. I'm not gonna use the floss because it's right here. So we use the floss, and we're gonna put like, oh shit. Right, so we're gonna put like this amount, and alright, we're gonna put like this amount on it, and just cover this back because we don't want the glue to be hard. Then we're gonna get our strip lashes. These lashes come in, what do you call it now, length. So you have, I don't know if you can see it properly, you have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I typically go with 11 or 12 because I don't like my lashes too long. I just like something look natural, and I like something look natural. I like something you can say, no, I have on lashes, but yeah, I want it be known to me have on lashes, but I want it look as natural as possible, if that makes sense. Alright, so I'm gonna go with 11 or maybe 12. I'm gonna go with length 12 because I usually start from in the middle. Guys, if you realize, I don't have no lash at all. I don't know what I mean. I don't have none. So the reason why I stop, the reason why I don't use the single strip is because I usually have like a tough time to get these down and then to like apply it over it. So I find that the strip lashes quite simple for me, and it works out better, and I love it even more. So let's get started. Alright, so what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna use, this is what, 12? Yes. So I'm gonna grab a lash or a strip. This is it. See if I can focus it. This is it. This kind of used already, so which is why it looks so rough, but I promise you it works the same way, still look good. So we're gonna put the alright, so the lashes like this. Oh Jesus Christ. This. So I usually apply the glue in here because this is where I'll be putting my lash, right? So I put the glue wherever I want it to stick. Get it? So just a little bit because you don't want a lot. As I said, I want to go as natural as possible. There it is. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lift my eye. Yeah, I'm gonna lift it. This is pretty difficult doing it on camera, but stay with me. We're gonna go as close to the lash line as possible. I will just drop it there. So see there, boom, drop it. My finger glue up, what the hell? Yeah, so we'll drop it there. So, and as I said, I usually start from the middle. Realize, kind of see the difference now. I usually start from the middle with the longer one. Okay, so we're gonna go in again, and we're gonna get another 12. Then we're gonna dip it in the spot that we want it, right here, because this is the part that will be attaching to our eyelashes. As I said guys, not a lot of glue because you want it to look as natural as possible. Right, so we're gonna lift again, and we are gonna go as close to the first one as possible. Drop it, and there you go. So when we drop it, I typically use a tweezer and just open it and put it down. Guys, you got to be gentle, you know, this is your eye. Can't have a laugh. So yeah, squeeze it. Again, you can see the difference. This is my natural eyelash and this is the extension. So far, this is what it's given. So I usually go with the longer ones, so about here to out here. So I start from in the middle and then I'll continue towards the end. So let's get to it. Guys, it's a lot more difficult doing it on camera while as opposed to doing it in the mirror. There we go. What am I called? Right, at this point, I just get a mirror because I really don't want to blind myself. So we're gonna use Alright, so we're gonna continue going outwards with it. What? Being that I'm holding the mirror, I can't really lift my eyelid, but guys, it's way easier if you lift your eyelid and apply it under it. You know, lift it and apply it. Way easier. So yeah, I'm gonna use the tweezer. Squeeze it. So we're gonna do the front now, and as I said guys, I usually use the shorter ones. So I went in with the 12 here from the middle towards the end. So now I'm gonna go with 11 here and then 10 on the inner corner. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna grab my, did I say 11? I did. I'm gonna grab my 11. So guys, you want to, when you're grabbing it, you want to hold the strip. You don't want to hold the hairs on it because you'll ruin it. So this is how I typically hold it. I want it to focus. This is how I typically hold it. Oh, the freaking something drop. Yeah. So you hold it on the strip and not on the hairs. Alright, so we're going in back with our glue, and for every lash that cleared. For every lash strip, guys, you need a fresh set of glue. So as I said, the part where you're going to, I usually just scrape it up, scrape it inwards and kind of dust off the excess. This is the amount that I use. Can you see? Can you see? Alright, that's the amount that I use. Then I'm gonna go back in. So as I said, we're gonna go with the, we're gonna go towards the inner corner now. So being that I'm not holding my eyelashes, you know, I'm gonna have to get my eyes as wide as possible. See the difference? Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? Alright, so we're gonna go, I typically stop where my hairs stop. So, alright, I think I'm gonna go with another 10. We'll use a, oh, I'm gonna just use 11. Yes, alright, so I'm gonna use another 11. So the shorter your natural lash be, the shorter you go with the lash strips. So use that as reference. Use that as reference. Back at it. Alright, so this is another 10, and as I said, guys, you go as close to each other as possible. Make them touch each other. Like it literally should look like one lash strip under your eyelid. So you make the, what do you call it, you make the strips touch. See, get them touching. Put them in place. Alright, now so we're gonna go with the shorter ones because I'm approaching the end now. So you see these are the tiny ones here. So I'm gonna use 10. Yeah, I'm gonna use 10. 110, one more 10. I'm gonna use one more 10. And then for the last one, we're gonna go with a number 9. So as I said, fresh lash, fresh strip, fresh dip. There we go. Just drop it. Not to do nothing else, just drop it. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go with one more. I'm gonna put it right here. And as I said, I'm gonna use the shortest one, being that we barely have hairs right here. So we don't want to overdo it. I would say we want it to look natural, but we still want it to look like we have lashes on. So we're gonna go with the top one here, which is 9. This one is 9, so we're gonna go with that one. Your eyes wide open. Wide open. Okay, that don't look great. Set it in place. So guys, the greatest thing about lash strips, you can go as thick as you want. Hold on. I typically double up. So if you want to go thick, when you add the first layer, this would be the first layer. You just add some more lashes over it, like you adding, or like you're doing your own lashes. Get it? So just add it on top of the one we just add. So yeah. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the this is the first set. This is what I typically go with. I don't go with anything thicker than this because, as I said, I want it to look natural. But if you are like the bougie type and you want, you know, you like the bigger the better for you. So I'm gonna show you how to double up. So I'm gonna go in back with 12. I'm going back with the 12 lash, and we're gonna apply this 12 lash over the 12 here. I remember where mine was, so I'm just gonna put it. So this is what I mean when I said double up. So I'm gonna use my mirror so this was full. We got the right place. Right, so. So you continue doing that. You just keep adding lashes over the one that you previously did. So yeah, that is it. Can see the difference. Before I forget, all right, so if you have like a single lash, what you can do if you don't have like the full lash strips, you can cut it in 3 sections, in 3 parts, and use it like that as strips. If you don't want to use like the, or if you have difficult eyelashes like me and you want to use it as strips, you just cut it in 3 strips and I drop off. So enough glue wasn't on it. Let's try again. Guys, as I said, it would be easier if you can lift your eyelids so you can have better access, but being that I'm using a mirror, I'm not able to do that. So I'm just, as a professional, yeah, you can just throw it under it. But guys, for beginners, just use the lift your eyelashes, lift your eyelids, and it will be so much easier for you. Like, once you go straight, you never go back. And guys, if you have the glue too long, the ones that you just throw out on the mine, because mine is getting hard, you just switch it and get some more, because we don't need no hard glue. as you can see, this one is a little bit fuller, and this one is with more glue, and this one is with less glue. Alright, so this one is more fuller. It's up to you which one you want to choose. I typically go with this one because, as I said, I want it to look more natural, but it's up to you what you want to do. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.